Paramagnetic substances. Let us discuss paramagnetic materials. These materials are weakly attracted by a magnet. When a paramagnetic material is suspended in a uniform magnetic field, the paramagnetic substances rotate so as to bring their longest axis along the direction of the field. When a sample of paramagnetic liquid is put in a U-tube and strong magnetic field is applied across one of the two limbs, the level of liquid rises. This proves the movement of paramagnetic liquid from weaker to stronger parts of the field. When a paramagnetic substance is placed in a magnetic field, the magnetic field lines prefer to pass through the substance. It shows that the magnetic induction inside the sample is greater than the magnetic induction outside the sample. The magnetic susceptibility of paramagnetic substances has a small positive value.